Nimbadkar, Secretary of Jab and Box Club. This year we have organized this tournament for the first time. That is, title of the event is First All Goa Boxing Championship. In association with GABA, we are organizing this tournament for 3 days. It is on 17th, 18th and 19th. In this tournament, there are 10 different teams from across the Goa is participating, and 181 participants have registered so far. The finals, most of the finals will be held on tomorrow, that is 19th.
This tournament done very successfully, and I want to thank on behalf of GABA, the initiative which he has taken with all the efforts, all the hurdles what he has to face, not withdrawing himself, and I think the big support from Premanand has helped him out. So I request Vincent, just share your experience and what is your experience on it. Okay.
My name is Vincent. We had just started a boxing in the year 1991 when I used to box. So after a few years, in 2002, I did a boxing in the ring, and then once we left the boxing was over in Vasco. So with the help of Girish Pillai, who is our president of Jab and Box Club, we reinvented the Jab and Box Club from 2018 onwards, and we wanted to create a championship in Vasco. Unfortunately, the date was fixed in Vasco. Due to the persistent weather conditions, we could not keep it intact in Joggers Park. We had to move down to an indoor championship, which we successfully hold it on the 17th. We had a good team, which we had 10 teams and 181 boxes registered. And now today is the second day, and it is a good day to go on, and then we'll be having a third day of good lot of championships. And hopefully this championship will continue on, and we will have a successful event in Joggers Park in the month of July 30th, 31st and 1st August. We have planned to go with the second championship within next 2 months. Hopefully we will get all the support from this, and with the popularity of boxing will appear again in Bormugao Taluk and Vasco area, so that more and more boxers or sports lovers can join us and support us and help us in creating this atmosphere in Vasco area.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.